Hey guys, Mike on Internet Pro. I want to show you some results from today. This is straight. I'm in a public place. This is a Wi-Fi place, like a internet cafe. Just want to show you some results for today. See, $100 made today from Incognito. Show you results here. There it is. There's a proof. I'm gonna go ahead and scroll up and down so you can see it. Okay. Yeah, that's today's date down at the bottom. You'll find a link below this video. Again, we get started anytime. It's www.michaelinternetpro.com. Check it out. You can use the Incognito system to do this. The system works. I actually paid for it about 2 days ago. I got inside the membership and checked everything out. Start running it, and you can see it's working right now. That's fast PayPal money, guys. This is real. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up so you can see it. Click on it. Alright. There you go, guys. That's it. You received. Damn. Let me focus it. So I'll let you know, you don't need a laptop, you don't even need a smartphone, you don't need anything but a Wi-Fi connection. You can make money from anywhere in the world. I'm at a Wi-Fi internet shop right here, internet cafe. And you can see I'm making money online. Easy, doesn't take much. The system works. They show you how to do everything like this inside. It's Incognito. Over the shoulder video training. You got to get this, guys. I'm telling you, I implemented this. You can see $100 made today, guys. Look, here's when it started. You can see April 3rd, 10 a.m. And then here it is right here. The last payment sent right here. Right there, April 4th, 3 a.m. right there. 24-hour period. Boom. How would you like to make $100 a day? And this is just starting. It's going to increase because I got some free traffic systems in place that I learned from the system. So check it out. Again, the system's called Incognito. Go ahead and click the link below. It'll take you right to the page where you can learn more from the video and then get inside. It's really affordable right now, but the price is most likely gonna go up. So with that, guys, find the link below. It's Mike on Internet Pro. Talk to you later. I'm out.